Hey guys, let me show you how to make this salt mackerel, boiled dumpling, banana and ripe plantain. Let's bake it. Go and get your salt mackerel, okay? Ooh, look at this. You can soak this overnight, but I'm gonna go ahead and boil mine to get rid of the excess salt, okay? Add in the salt mackerel. You can boil this more than once to get rid of the excess salt. Add in pimento and a garlic. Throw off the water, then add fresh water to it, then we're gonna boil again. Remember, we're telling you we're taking out the excess salt. We don't want all of the salt to come out, but you don't want it salty where you can't eat or raise your pressure, all right? Okay. I add salt to the water, but not into the flour when I'm boiling dumpling. You could do whatever you like, okay? That's fine. We're gonna make this boil up. Time for make the dumpling then. I'm gonna use about 4 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. 2, 3, 4. I love cornmeal dumplings, so I'm adding cornmeal to mine. That was half cup of refined cornmeal. So I know enough people say, oh, you know, wash your hand. I want to wash your hand 10 times it was. But for no purpose, me wash my hand. Starting off with 1 cup of water. I'm not gonna use it all at once. I'm gonna use it gradually, okay? I finished 1 cup. I went and got some more water. This is 1 more cup. And you're just using the water to wet wherever it's dry, okay? You don't want to start to knead it yet. You just want to mostly get it together with the water. Don't knead it yet, because if you over knead, your flour will get too tough and tight and thick. You don't want that. You want your flour to be soft and nice, all right? Overall, I use about 1.5 cup of water. And you just want to form this into a ball, lightly knead it. Don't put all your pressure upon it. Alright. Cover and leave to rest. I make the water go and boil up. Onion. Alright, tomato or tomatoes. Did you know they call it tomatoes, man? Yeah. I like this part. Sweet pepper. Just some of the green. Scotch bonnet pepper. Time to make the dumplings. Alright, now I just pinch and kind of like measure them. To see how much I'll get from the dough. Take it up. And then I knead it in, tuck it in. This is how I do mine. I just tuck it in. So you're just gonna tuck it in until it's all smooth. And then after that, I just do this. Flat it out. See? So they don't stick to the pot, okay? I go wash the banana and the plant. Alright. What I do is I let the banana boil for a little bit first, then I add the ripe plantain to it, because the ripe plantain is easier to boil than the banana. After 20 to 30 minutes, dumpling them boil. I'm gonna take out the bones. When I picked them, I used to love when mama gave me this part. I used to love the bone, like, yeah. Alright. Just pick this up to the size that you like it, okay? Also go ahead and taste if it's still too salty. If it's still too salty, you could just add some water on top of it and let it soak out for a little bit. Mine is the way I like it, so this is what I'm gonna use right now. Gonna cook up the mackerel, adding some coconut oil, adding garlic, onion, tomato, pepper, sweet pepper or bell pepper, saute, pimento seed, a little bit of white vinegar, about 1 tablespoon. Scallion and thyme. Black pepper. For about 5 minutes. Dinner done. Time for plate this up. Nice and soft, man. So now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. A soft banana. You can't go wrong with this. Can't go wrong. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.